Hey, time for a success story. So I had to shoot a video on this because too much to type, and secondly, I was very excited, so I needed to tell you with expressions how I feel. So I'm going to start from the start, very beginning. So this was when we met last time at Pop Dates. He had mentioned that he went to Rangres. Rangres is our spot where we usually go for dates. It was our second or third date spot where it's special to us. And we have this thing for tandoori mushrooms, like tandoori mushrooms where our thing, wherever we go, we just have tandoori mushrooms as a dish because it's our thing. So we usually order that, and last time at Pop Dates he just mentioned this thing called tawa mushroom that he had with his friend, and I was like, you went to Rangres without me and had tawa mushrooms. I also want to taste like Rangres. Why not? I want to do that, have a beer and have this. So I just said it in my mind at Pop Dates that day, and I had fun. All of that incident, the good things happened. And then after that, when he said phone call and shit, and I was like, okay, very anxious. Now what is happening? Again, 3Ps in the scene, blah, blah, blah. Today, oh my God, you know how much I have been anxious since morning today. Like, I have been shaking to the core that, this is not working out. I don't know. It's 2nd June. It marks the 1 year anniversary of when we met. Like, we met today. It was a very significant day for me. I was like, yeah, 2nd June, I want this to happen. I want something special to happen on 2nd June. I want to celebrate it. In my head, I was like, yeah, it is done. I want to celebrate it no matter what. And then it was not happening. I kind of texted him, like, out of desperation that, it marks the 1 year anniversary since we met, and I really want to thank you for being part of my life, and all of that. And he didn't revert. And then I was again thinking कि यार reply भी नहीं कर रहा है, I don't know what is happening. And दोपहर को 3 बजे, again after all your conversation and don't be afraid, do this, do that, all of that, at 3 o'clock again I messaged. I was like, I hope everything is okay, things will be good, don't worry, see you soon. This is all I texted, like very casual. And then he was just like, yes. I'm like, ठीक है. Again more anxiety ki, oh my God, just yes. What? I don't even know what is happening. I don't know what he's doing. I don't know if this is going somewhere. What is it? So I just started my work at around 3:45. I just went to the ICU. After seeing 1 or 2 patients, it just struck me out of nowhere, sort of an inspired action, that let me text him, let me ask if he can meet for 10 minutes today. Let's see क्या ही हो जाएगा, गलत ना बोल देगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, big deal, it's okay, I'm ready for rejection, let me just ask. And I texted him, hey, is it possible to meet for just like 10 minutes today? I have to give you something and I have to say something to you, and it would mean a lot, but no force. If you can, just let me know. And then I sent you the screenshot that nahi aaj nahi hoga, I'll meet you before going. So that is what he said, and I think, yeah, okay, I was satisfied with that also. Like, ठीक है, जब भी जाएगा उससे पहले he'll meet me and go at least, so that's a win, it's okay. And then I made plans with another friend. He stays close to my hospital. He's a dance class ka friend. So I made plans to meet him because I was continuously anxious and I just wanted to like meet and chill with someone. So I asked another friend. She said she's going to the movies. So I said, okay, you meet. So I met this friend, okay. And I was supposed to leave the hospital at 8 o'clock. This guy, I was punching out at 8:17, and I told this guy, let me just come and let me tell him 8:20 ko I will meet you at that signal outside the hospital. And he came at around 8:40 or something, 8:35, 8:40. उसको कुछ shopping करना था, so he came late. And this guy, in the meantime, Dhawal, he messaged me at around 6:30 saying ki let me see if I can meet you today. What time do you get off work? And I was like, I'll get off at 8, but आज नहीं, because I was like, चल ठीक है, you call me, let me see if I can make time, I'll discuss. He's like, वो आज नहीं तो ठीक है, we'll meet बाद में, we'll see. I said, no, you give me a call, I will see, we'll plan it out. So I met this guy, my dance class का friend, at around 8:35 outside the hospital. We had some chiku milkshake and we just discussed random stuff about dance class and we were like, ठीक है, chilling. In the middle of that, Dhawal calls me. He tells me कि हाँ कहाँ पे तू 9 बजे तो पहुँचने वाली थी ना. I said no, I'm still at the hospital only. I'm leaving in like 10 minutes. But 9 बजे तक तो नहीं यार पहुँच पाऊँगी, इतना लेट नहीं हो पाएगा. और I was like, ठीक है, you meet me some other day, it's okay. Like आज तूने बोला था anyway you have to be somewhere, so carry on. She's like, no, I'm at the market with my mom right now. मेरा तो काम हो गया, मैं बोरीवली स्टेशन पे हूँ. So if you want you come here, we can meet. I was like, नहीं, बोरीवली स्टेशन तो बहुत दूर हो जाएगा. I don't know if I can meet you at बोरीवली station. So I said, नहीं, अच्छा give me 10 minutes, I'll call you back. Let me call you back and I'll confirm. So I didn't make a plan with him. And he was like, हाँ ठीक है, तेरे और plans बन रहे थे तो you could have told me directly that you didn't want to meet. मेरे साथ क्यों plan बनाया वगैरह वगैरह. I said no other plans. I'm just telling you. Let me give me 10 minutes. I'll call you back and I'll tell you. So I left with this guy, Harshit tha. Two more things that I forgot to tell you in the previous video. So there was this business plan that we had while we were dating back then, like when we were together. We had this business plan where he's a writer and director, so he shoots videos and all of that, and I'm a physio. So we had this collab idea about, you know, shooting videos of rehab programs for hospitals and selling it to them, which was a business idea. So we would be co-founders, we would probably hire a cameraman or all of those. We'll shoot videos, we'll have a plan of action for few diseases and few rehab programs with my brain and his shooting capacity, and we would sell it to hospitals. So that just came up today because I was very like fed up of my job. I'm like, बहुत monotonous हो रहा है, it's not taking me anywhere, I need to do something with my life and blah blah blah. And he was like, yeah, I know, अभी टॉन्ट मत मार कि वो बंद हो गया करके. I said, no, I didn't say बंद हो गया. I just would have loved if it had gone somewhere because it was a brilliant idea. It is needed because right now I know the hospital that I'm working in, it is actually needed to be done. So it would be very great if you know, if we progress on it and if we think about it and actually work on it, it would be amazing. So he was like, yeah, ठीक है, time दे थोड़ा, let me think about it, we'll get back on it करके. He agreed to restart the business plan with me. And even now I messaged him, I was like, please do rethink on that idea because it's a brilliant idea that came out of you. I would hate for it to go to waste. And he was like, yes. So that is one thing. The second thing that happened I missed out was I told him that I was making plans with this other friend who was going to the movies. I asked her that, you know, I wanted to basically smoke. I just wanted to have a cigarette because I was stressed. I was like, let me just go and smoke with someone. And Harshit does not smoke. Jisko main aaj mili, he does not smoke or drink. Suchi, which is my other friend, she smokes. And she's like full on party to anything that I do. But she was busy. So I told him randomly, I texted her also because I really wanted to smoke today. And I was hoping that somebody would meet me who is willing to smoke with me. And he, out of nowhere, he had this very concerned face. He's like, not 2 minutes past post this conversation that I told him that I want to smoke. And 2 minutes later, he's like, ये सब तो क्या कर रही है, दोस्तों को फ़ोन करके ऐसे सिगरेट विगरेट के प्लान बना रही है, ये सब क्या चल रहा है तेरा? आई वाज लाइक, मन किया तो पूछा मैंने. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम हैविंग सिगरेट्स राइट नाउ विद यू, सो इट्स ओके. इज लाइक, हाँ मेरे साथ ठीक है, बट ठीक है अभी तेरे को दोस्तों के साथ भी यही करना है तो इट्स फाइन, ओके, तेरी मर्ज़ी. ही जस्ट लाइक कट ऑफ दैट टॉपिक, बट दैट 2 seconds of concern. It was so cute. I mean, I just could sense that he did not like that I was smoking with other people, and it just slipped out of my mouth. But before this, he has never been concerned about it. I've mentioned hundreds of times that I've smoked with people. Today he was like, why are you making plans? ये सब गंदी आदतें क्यों लगा रही है तू खुद को? Like you should not be doing this and all of that. I was like, yeah, ठीक है, okay, whatever. So those two things also happened, also adding to the success story.